In this video, we'll show you how to install a tow mirror on your Ford F-150. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To install a tow mirror on your vehicle, you have to take off the door trim. Using a hook, remove the plastic cover inside the door handle. Then, using a ratchet, a small extender, and an 8mm socket, unscrew the two handle retaining bolts. Using a car trim removal tool, pry off the handle. Then remove it. Turn the handle. You can now unclip the door opening mechanism cable. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Then remove the handle. Using a car trim removal tool, pry out the master power window mirror switch plastic trim. Remove the power connectors. To do this, push on the tabs and pull on the connectors. Then, unscrew the first screw holding the door panel with an 8mm socket. Then, using the car trim removal tool, pry along the edge of the speaker protective cover to remove it. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 5.5mm socket, unscrew the 4 speaker holding screws. Remove it from its housing. Then disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the plastic tab. Then remove the plastic trim. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 6mm socket, unscrew the 2 lower door panel retaining screws. You can now unclip the door panel by pulling it towards you and lifting it slightly to release it from the top track. Then gently peel off the plastic insulation.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Disconnect the side mirror connector by pressing the plastic tab and then pulling on it. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a long 11mm socket, unscrew the 3 retaining nuts from the side view mirror. You can now remove the mirror. You can order the tow mirror used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the tow mirror. Remove the ends supplied with it. Insert the tow mirror into its housing. Then screw the 3 nuts back in by hand at first. Finish off tightening with a ratchet. Plug the electrical connector back in. Put the insulating foam back in place. You can now put the door panel back in place, inserting it into the top track first. You can now clip the plastic trim back. Reconnect the speaker electrical connector. Then screw the 4 retaining screws back in. Replace the plastic cover. Screw the armrest screw back on. Take the door handle, put the cable back in place, then reattach it back. Insert the handle into its housing, then reclip it. Screw the 2 retaining bolts back on. Put the door handle trim back on. Reconnect the power connectors. You can now clip the plastic trim back onto the door panel. Then, screw the lower door panel retaining screws back on. Operation complete.